6-4.
6-4.
Ebisete, what a pass. Montero, pull-up jumper, good. Score tie, 6-6. Espinosa, hatag kay Kulog. Kulog. Drive basket, pass to Peralta, good for 2. Assist by Kulog. 8-6 in favor of Team Water. Uncle Jeff with the ball. Still Yagin, pasa kay Kulog. Kulog, open layup, good for 2. Uncle Jeff, kita kapsan, wow, what a fake, Carlos. 5 minutes stop break. Stop 5.
Si Baltero.
Pila mo.
Siyam na sila?
Ha?
Siyam ka?
Siyam?
Siyam, balik daw si
Insa? Baltero.
Valtero. Okay, plus 2 points ang Team Water. The score is 12-8. Jack Galabi, kita kapsahan, pasa kay Lanera. Pull-up jumper by Jack or Jack. Good for 2. Isa pasa kay Dato na steal ni Hagunal. Jumper. Di-scoop shot. Wow, what a move by Jumper. Goodness. Valtero, building the ball. Pasa kay Makalisa for 3. Kusog na kayo. Rebound by the box score.
Wala daw sila, wala sila.
Insa?
JR ata.
JR? Mubog? Bana? Sulayin.
Nakakagyan. Tignan lang siya.
Valtero, pull-up jumper. Good for 2. Jack Delarbe. Wow, what a touch pass. Offensive rebound by Danilo, no good again. Pasa kay Dato. Makalisang, pasa kay Inaw. Kusog na tayo, rebound by Lanera. Baby Sunny. Wow! Ano yun? Offensive rebound by Jack. Agunal, daming na lane. Pasa kay Danilo. Body shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Wala gapon. Layap ni Valtero. Pasa kang Makalisang. Daming na lane. Nice pass to Dato. Score 6-12. 2 minutes 40 seconds remaining from first quarter. The third time. And to shoot. 3 seconds. Timeout. Team Water. Water. Valtero. Pressure D by Jack Galapi. Dato. Still Makalisang for 3. No good. Rebound by Danilo. Pasa kay Hagulan. Jack, 150cc. Grabing noong. Jack Galapi. Good for 2.
Sige, haras mo.
Makalisang. Pressure defense by Team Pagkanasa. Pasa. Ilalong. No good. Offensive rebound by Tugahan. Permetes, hatag kay Hagunal. Pasa kay Permetes, pull up jumper, good for 2.
Tagsa.
Pero, harass defense by Jack. Pasa si Lalo, Rinaw, Dato, pull up jumper, no good. Offensive rebound. Good for 2. Power move by Dato.
Tagna to nga, Ber. Tagna to nga.
Hatag kay guys, almost a steal. Galarpe, nice pass inside, no good. Turnover. Seconds to play. Almost a steal. Valtero, drive inside by Dato again, good for 2. Asa si Lalo, anticipated, Llanera, open jumper, wala. Offensive rebound by Permetes, no good. Foul number 19 seconds remaining. Foul number 14, Haguna, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 7, sorry. 10 seconds remaining sa ball game. Makalisang for 3. No good. 5. Enough for 3. Short. Score. Gonzaga dribbling the ball. Then to shoot. Jeep for 3. Rebound by Kulot. Kulot, pasa kay Jeep Rocks. Kulot, dito good pop. Offensive rebound by Kulot. Foul number 10. Carlos, first personal foul. First team foul. Team effort. Kulot to the line. Shooting 2. Kulot. First free throw, no good. Our reigning MVP sa Season 1 o Season 2. Isa kay may MVP karon nga season. Abangan. Offensive rebound by Moiti. Pasa kay Giprox. Almost a steal. 10 to shoot. Peralta, pull-up jumper. Ebesaki. Hatag kay Carlos. Carlos, giwalhan. Nice. Espinosa. Driving the lane, pasa, nakuha ni Kulot. 5 to shoot. Turnover by Team Water. Jeff dribble ball na niya. Dumaray niya. Carlos, hatag kay Pulit. Free throw shot, no good. Rebound by Espinosa. Hatag kay Kulot. Kulot, pasa kay Peralta, tulbong tayo. Good for 2. Another assist by Kulot. Pasa sa lalong, Uncle Jeep. What a cut, right? Ugahan, no good. Rebound by Jeff Rocks. Itindugan ra. Espinosa, paspas kayo, nice pass. Peralta, another 2-point conversion by Peralta. Assist by Mr. Alvin Espinosa. Carlos, 8 minutes remaining. Exactly 8 minutes. Turnover. Uncle Jeff, free throw shot, na short. Rebound by Espinosa, pasa kay Kulot. Shopping. 2 points. Time out. Back to the ball game. Uncle Jeff. Uncle Jeff, pasa kay turnover. Pasa kay Makmak. Espinosa.
Gains. Gains.
Atak kay Kulot. Kulot, tumoy pasa balik kay Peralta. 4-3, no good. Pass play para kay Carlos. Isakop ni Alvin. Our number 1 leading steal. Alvin Espinosa. What a drive. What a finish by Alvin Espinosa. Pass play na good. Carlos, ihungit. Good at this time. Pass by Ebesape. Score 30-22. 6:50 remaining. 50 to shoot. 10. Almost a steal. Nakuha ni Moiti. 5. Rebound by Paulit. Pass break by Uncle Jeff. Oh, ilugdan na good. What a hustle defense by Alvin Espinosa. 17 to shoot. Terence Carlos, no good. Rebound by Ebesape. Morning shot by Uncle Jeff. Oh, what a pass sa ilalong. And one! Assist by Ebesape. Tutugahan. Traveling violation.
Balik.
Espinosa. Crossover. Wow. What's the decision? Number 10, Terence Carlos, second personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound by Moiti to Kulot. 10 to shoot. Kulot, pasa kay Moiti, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by Greta. Rebound.
Tala ka niya ang ganana ng sir.
Then to shoot, what a pass! Kay Kulit to Ebesape. Pagka-nice.
Kuha pa nga play.
And to shoot.
Then to shoot. Alvin, fade away. 5 minutes. Uncle Jeff. Pasa kay Baltero. Baltero dribbling the ball. Itag set. To Ino for 3. Bang, bang. Assist by Baltero. Tres. Jack crossover. Jack pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Permetes. Mura na gitos eh. Dato, dribbling the ball. Pasa kay Baltero. Baltero, kita kapasahan. What a tight defense by Jack Galarte. Steal. Side decision.
Noyo.
Jump on. Pasa kay Jumper. Open 3. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Baltero. Dato, hatag kay Chips. Setting the play. Almost a steal. Behind the back pass na steal ni Hagunal. Pasa kay Jack. Kaptan sa 150cc. What? Kaptan yun eh. Grabe. Short sa hiya. Foul number 23. Enough. 13 foul. First personal foul. Inbound play by the bantamweight. Wow, ano pa sa ilalong to Baby Sunny. Jeff, kita kapasahan. Tumakalisang, Tudato. Power move by Dato.
Save.
Traveling violation. Yep. Three minutes remaining sa second quarter. Score 38-31. Llanera, open three, dual hand, no good. No, daming layak. Datu. Gitaro si Jack. No. Good for two. Jack, itakapsan. Atag kay Jober. Atag kay Hagunan. Hagunan, slashing the lane. Napasa kay Jack. Wala, ihangyo. Nakuha niya po ni Jack. Hangyo na yun. Naikog ang bula. Jeff Gonzaga. Driving the lane. Uy, what a steal by Hagunan. Opa, Jack. 150cc. Santuran side step. Jack, hata kay Jumer. Uy, Jack, Galapi, good for two. Exactly 1 minute remaining. Oh, 2 minutes remaining, sorry. And the shoot. 5. Uncle Jeff, open shot. No good. Offensive rebound by Dato. What's the call? Traveling violation. Timeout, team effort. Grabe ang depensa ni Bugins dribbling the ball. Pasa kay Llanera. Llanera, power move. More shot, no good. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni Jumper. Pull up, jumper, no good. Nakuha ni Bugins. Bugins, side step. Good for two. Still by Jack Galante. Foul committed by number 13, Makalisa. At 50cc, ibulhutan. Wala. Bugins, Able Andres, wala. Instead, di na turnover. Pasa kay Uncle Jeff. To Inaw, open layup, good for two. Oh, it's a steal. 40 seconds. Galarte, open three. Wala yapon, rebound by Dato. Dato, turnover. Time, 25 seconds.
23.
20. 15. Agonal driving the lane. To Danilo, pull up jumper short. 5 seconds. Tugahan, what a pass, rebound by Peralta. Aldrin, pas tayo, block by Pulit, our league leader in black.
Ada si JR ke bugsay? Gakwan, ada sila idola bugsay. Si JR, si Maginay.
Pulit, driving the lane, Moiti, pull up jumper. Wala yapon. Pirata, fade away, no good. Wow, on a rebound by Jeff Brooks. Espinosa for 3. Short. Wala yung ball by Fox. Grabe yun. Ebisate. Hatag kay Kulit. Nice pass sa ilalong. Tugahan. Good for 2.
Seven. Na-shot mo lang. 46, 37.
Ebisate. Nagmamadali. Sa steal. Foul committed by Aldwin Espinosa. Aldwin, first personal foul, first team foul. 42, na pass sa ilalong, walang lang shot. Rebound by Espinosa. Espinosa, nice pass na po ang Jeff Brooks. Gahula-hula na ang hansa. Or gahula-hula lubag. Lubag ito din. Siyempre sa akin. Stop and pop. Ulit. Jumper, no good. Same ball. Carlos, open 3, tulbong tayo. Na-short lang yun. Open sub na ha, third quarter. Seven minutes, 30 seconds remaining. 37-46 in favor of Team Water.
Dol, Jack.
10 to shoot. Rebound by Tugahan. Tupantero. Uy! Nasundot pa din Alvin. Nakakili si Alvin nila. Our league leader is still.
Gabi, may kayo timing.
To Carlos, driving the lane. Carlos. Ipinsa ni Jeff Brooks. Side step, wala move. Wala lang. Rebound by Moite.
Good. Tulo ya, tulo.
Kulot. Aliw! Wow!
Yes.
Rebound by Kulot. Jeff Brooks for 3.
Cancel lang saya. Cancel lang.
Pwede nila. 10 to shoot. Carlos. Driving the lane. 1-minute shot. No good. Rebound by Pirata. To Espinosa. Espinosa nagmamadali. Usawan mo niya. Pasa kay Panapnak at Kulit. Kanina ba yung makalakan? Wala. Offensive rebound by Jeff Brooks. Kumagana si Jeff Brooks. Turnover. Team foul.
37-51. Done.
Sa ilalong. Turnover. Wala. Tugahan. 39-51. 15 to shoot. 10. Espinosa. What a jumper by Espinosa. Uy, turnover.
Straight. Count it.
Espinosa, it's a 3. Short. Offensive rebound by Moite. No good. Rebound by Espinosa again. Hatag sa lalong kay Kulot. Block by Pulit. 3 blocks. Eight to shoot.
Yeah.
7 to shoot.
Away, pabor-pabor.
Away, pabor. Nabawang mo niya. 3 points. Dato. Espinosa din the ball. Espinosa pasa sa kay Jack. Jack. 2 points. Dato. Counted.
Ay, friend, kay karon ba? Nainay lang.
Gusto nyo mga tinag champion?
Kasat sila sa...
Pila dira. Ano?
Huli!
Pass to Terence. Pass to Dato. Dato to Terence. Terence. Counted. Time out. Kulot. Kulot for the drive. Pass kailangan ng put. Counted. 2 points. 16-43. Dato. Dato for 2. 45-16. 3 minutes remaining time, 16 seconds on the shot clock. Kulot, nasigya, isbate, tugahan. For the drive, counted. 47-60. Labaw, Casey. Jack nagunit sa bula. Jack nangitag kauban. Napasa sa ilalong. Foul. Time out!
Time out.
Score 47-60. Time out, ref. Continuation of the game. Danilo. Rita Toman. Okay. It to shoot. Jack tumira ng press. 3 points. 63-47. Carlos against Jack. Jack. No good. Jack napasa kay Churrado violation. Wala naman sa point na tingnan sa Teresa. Teresa sa fourth row. 1 minute, 41 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Rian, Silvestris ng press. 15-63, 13.3 by Peter. Juber na dalang pula. Pinasa sa number 14, ang Gunnar for 3. No good. Isbate going for the drive. Wow. Layos. Wow, counted. Ladies and gentlemen, Tito 63.
Inay!
Agunan. Seconds to play. 13 seconds to shoot. Ilea, Ikara, rebound by Carlos. Carlos, pass to Polet. Pass to Isaka. 2 on 1. 2 on 2. Ilatay. Okay. Last time is Peter. Substitution there. Okay. Espinosa, dribbling the ball. Espinosa ng tagkauban. Espinosa, pasas tumakot. Takuyan. Or pasabay. Ibisati, dribbling the ball. Ibisati. 3 on 1. Ibisati. Pass to Tukan. Tukan makes the shot. 2 points. 54-63. Sila na rin nabaw. Mga kaitsunan. 10 seconds remaining. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 2, 1.
Running ang first to third.
Running ang first to third.
Running ang first to third.
Basta walay foul, running on the time.
Basta wala yung foul. 54-63. Tugan. Basta. Ay, wala din. Nakulitan niya din. Espinosa, dribbling the ball. 18 seconds. Espinosa. Oops.
3 seconds.
Offensive foul. Number 7. 54-63 ang atong score. Ibisati, dribbling the ball. Ibisati, nakita ko pa, na star. Pass to Terence, Terence. Traveling. Pirata in. Espinosa dribbling the ball. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 9 minutes remaining time. Screen by Danilo. Espinosa, pass to Fernandez. Nakuha ni Bisati. Bisati.
Balik, balik, balik!
Pass to Tugan. Tugan. Pass to Terence. Carlos. No good.
Block, 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 block.
Remaining time 9 minutes, 13 seconds, 54, 63 ang mga score mga kaigsunan.
Stop. Ha? Stop. Stop.
Espinosa. Pass to Kulot. Kulot.
Ay, babaw!
Yata.
Hard to shoot.
5 to shoot.
Patay!
3 points, 5 goals. 66-54.
Yeah.
Mas masyad, basta yung isa. Ulit. Pass to Ibisati. Ibisati. Pass to Tugan. Tugan. Side step. Counted. 56-66. Pulo ang lamang mga kaigsunan. 8 minutes remaining time. Substitution na yung rep pag nahiwan. Agad lang mga
10.
10. 7, 5, 4.
Kaya, kilog lang!
Kulot.
Oo, 3 seconds.
Kulot. Wala. Jubel. Wala.
Diretso!
Kaya mula. Kulot. Rebound by
Balik!
Bilkis. Balik. Foul.
Ako! Sabi. Ako lang naman.
Substitution red.
Si Bugin, squad.
Balik yan!
O, titigil to. Hindi man gulat kaya pas. Di pa ako manukod. Anspo.
3
Number 4 as first to type foul.
Ulo, uro. Ulo, formit niyo mo.
Second team foul. First personal.
Dua kay Anspo.
Guys ka, pre! Pre na lang!
Maras. 56-66. 7 minutes remaining time of the fourth quarter.
Gulomot.
Terence, dribbling the ball, pass to Bilkis. Bilkis, wide open 3. Bang! 59-66. In favor of Team Water.
Magamit si Juan. Pwede na magamit si Juan player.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7.
Counted!
Foul. Who's foul ref?
Saan to hit? Hit. Bula!
Ibisati, dribbling the ball, 59-68 na to score, 7 minutes remaining time. Carlos, foul.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. 13 foul. Espinosa.
Ito, ikaw walo siya.
Ten.
Ibisate 10. Second to shoot. No good. Peralta. Fast break. Juan Carlos. Nakuha rin Gonzaga. Kita kita bata ini. Gonzaga. Pass to Bilbis. Pass to Carlos. Side steps. Nata. Ulot. Pinabas break. Ulot. Gabriel. Time out. 17-59.
Saan ang yun?
Batero for his one. Takes the 3 points. 62-17.
Dominic!
Peralta. 21 seconds. 6 minutes, 56 seconds. Remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kulot. 10. Kulot 2 points. 62-72. Ibisati, between the ball. Ibisati. Buling, pasay Batero for 3. Pasay Ibisati reverse. Nakuha ni Dip. Itapik ni Espinosa. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 62-72 ang atong score. Carlos.
And one.
Wow. Alfred. 5 minutes 44 seconds.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul, ha? Ano? Sub.
Team under penalty.
Team under penalty. 64-72 ang atong score. Carlos. 65-72. 65-72 ang atong score. Bugins, iniyak, wala. Carlos, nakuha mula. Turuan. Carlos, masanay.
Sub.
Substitution yan.
Yan, sila kailangan ng big guard. Tapos cash.
20 seconds, 5 minutes remaining time, 65-72. Bugins, nakikatapasan. Pasahit sa akin to shoot.
Elevator screen.
9, 8, 5, 3. Buha ni Carlos. Punta ni Bugins. Wow. 5 minutes. Remaining time. Sakto na 5 minutes. Penalty ref. Second personal foul, Bugins. Reserve subject. Reserve sub. 66-72. Second free throw. Counted.
Sub.
Substitution. Counted. 67-72. Lima na lang labaw. Remaining time, 5 minutes.
Ayaw, screen!
16 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes, 50 seconds.
Ayaw, ito nga.
Espinosa against Pugan. 10 seconds to shoot. Crossover. Pass to Kulot for the shot. Hikala. Nakuha niya po eh. Foul. Penalty. Second personal. Kuha ni Bugins. Espinosa. Dribbling the ball. Naging nakahuman. In plus time. 17 seconds to shoot. 4 remaining time. 10 seconds. Espinosa for 2:77. Ibisate. Kuha ng bulan. Jack for 76-67. Bato. Turudua. Ibisate for 3. Bang! 70-76. 6.8 minutes 48 seconds remaining time. Time brought to you by the table. Okay, Espinosa with the ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Espinosa against Valtero. Espinosa. Foul! Foul Valtero. Okay. Second personal foul. First team out, 8 minutes 31 seconds. Substitution, Greg. Tagad lang. Substitute. First return to Wood. Counted. Score 77-17. 3 minutes remaining time. Tugahan. Last break. No good. 77-17. 3 minutes remaining time. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Jack. 10.
Wapa!
79-17. Valtero, pass to Ibisate. Ibisate for 3. Juan Terence. Left, Juan. Bilkis. Short. Piralta. Pass 3. Ulit. Counted. Time out now, sir. Time out. 17-81. Carlos Nabuyan. Okay. Tikas. Gonzaga against Espinosa. Peralta. 10 minutes, 28 seconds. Master Lugins. Jack. Pasas Tuhan kay Peralta. Okay.
Jack.
17. Carlos. Steal by Peralta. Peralta counted 2 points, 85-70. Dato, big the ball. Dato. Pasa kay Pulo. Pulo. Pasa kay Peralta. To Jack. To Pulo. Ikana. Counted. Jack. Carlos. Dato. Counted. 72-87. 1 minute 39 seconds. Remaining time. Jack. Jack Laos counted. 89-72. Carlos. Replica the ball. Carlos. Punya press. Bang. 75-89. 53 seconds. 20. Bogins. 1 minute. Remaining time. 16 seconds to shoot. Peralta. Counted. 2 points. Gonzaga for 3. No good. Peralta ni Laos. 13 seconds. Na short. Tulog again. Jack. Not counted. 18 seconds.
45, take 1. Daog ang Team Water.
Dahog, labaw.
Congratulations.